Bellefonte, Pennsylvania, located near Interstate 80, is a charming and historic town in Centre County. Known for its Victorian architecture, scenic beauty, and rich history, Bellefonte offers visitors a unique blend of small-town charm and historical significance. Historical significance. Bellefonte was founded in 1795 and quickly became a hub of political and industrial activity. The town is known for being home to 7 governors of Pennsylvania and other U.S. states, earning it the nickname the Town of Governors. Its historic downtown is lined with beautifully preserved Victorian buildings that reflect its prosperous past, when iron production was a major industry in the region. Architectural charm. The town is renowned for its Victorian architecture, particularly in the downtown district. Landmarks such as the Centre County Courthouse and the Bellefonte Academy showcase the town's well-preserved heritage. The Bellefonte Historical Railroad Society offers a glimpse into the area's rail history, and visitors can also admire the Brockerhoff Hotel, a stunning Victorian building that stands as a symbol of the town's architectural elegance. Natural beauty. Bellefonte is nestled in the scenic landscape of central Pennsylvania. The town's name is derived from the French phrase beautiful fountain, a reference to its natural springs. Talleyrand Park, located along Spring Creek, offers peaceful walking paths, picturesque views, and opportunities for fishing. The creek, a tributary of the Susquehanna River, runs through the heart of the town, adding to its charm. Proximity to Interstate 80. Bellefonte's location near Interstate 80 makes it a convenient stop for travelers. Its proximity to Penn State University and nearby State College also brings visitors to the area, especially during events like Penn State football games. Despite its small size, Bellefonte serves as a gateway to both historic exploration and outdoor recreation in the region. Community and events. Bellefonte has a tight-knit community that celebrates its heritage with various events throughout the year. One of the most popular events is Victorian Christmas, where the town transforms into a winter wonderland with holiday decorations, live performances, and traditional Victorian activities. The Bellefonte Arts and Crafts Fair is another highlight, showcasing local artisans and attracting visitors from across the state. Tourism and culture. The town is home to a variety of museums and cultural attractions. The Bellefonte Art Museum for Centre County is housed in a historic mansion and features exhibits on local art, culture, and history. Bellefonte also has several antique shops, boutiques, and cozy cafes, offering visitors a chance to experience local culture and hospitality. Bellefonte, Pennsylvania, is a hidden gem along I-80 that offers a rich blend of history, architecture, and natural beauty. With its well-preserved Victorian charm, peaceful parks, and active community life, Bellefonte is a perfect stop for history buffs, architecture enthusiasts, or anyone seeking a picturesque small-town experience in Pennsylvania. Continue to watch, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Thank you as you do.